IU is a South Korean singer, songwriter, and actress. She signed with Kakao M in 2007 as a trainee and debuted as a singer at the age of 15 with her album Lost and Found. IU was born Lee Ji-woon on May 16, 1993 in Songjang-dong, Seoul, South Korea. At an early age, IU became interested in pursuing a career in the entertainment industry and began attending acting classes. Soon after her elementary school years, her family's financial situation deteriorated and they eventually moved to the nearby Uijeongbu in Gyeonggi province. She and her younger brother lived apart from their parents in a studio room with their grandmother and cousin for over a year in conditions of great poverty. Her burgeoning career led to her decreased attendance at school and declining grades with the exception of Korean literature. After graduating from Dongdak Girls High School in 2012, IU decided not to pursue post-secondary education in tandem with her singing career. She dated musician Chang Ki-ha from 2013 until 2017. She debuted in 2008 on M Countdown, the program featuring the hottest new acts. Her debut single was called Lost Child. According to a Gallup Korea survey, she was the most popular idol and artist among South Koreans in 2017. On January 9, 2021, she won Digital Daejang Song of the Year on the 35th Golden Disc Awards with her song Blooming. On January 11, 2021, her label Adam Entertainment announced that she will return with a pre-release single on January 27, 2021. Adam Entertainment hinted that the new song will be a cheerful pop sound with energetic music genre. On May 2020, she started filming for her first commercial film Dream alongside Park Seo-joon, a sport dram. On June 19, 2020, IU released the song Into the Island as the signal song for Net's survival reality show Island. On April 11, 2019, IU made her film debut in the Netflix anthology series Persona. In 2019, IU starred in the fantasy mystery drama Hotel del Luna, written by the Hong sisters. She also sang one of the songs on the soundtrack Happy Ending. The drama was a commercial success, recording the highest ratings in its time slot throughout its run. Good Day went on to spend 5 consecutive weeks at the top position of South Korea's Gaon Digital Chart, and in 2019 it was ranked number 1 on Billboard magazine's 100 Greatest K-pop Songs of the 2010s. IU has released a total of 4 studio albums and 9 extended plays in her career, scoring 3 number 1 albums and 24 number 1 singles on the Gaon music charts. One of the best-selling solo acts in the group-dominated K-pop industry, she has been included on Forbes magazine's annual Korea Power celebrity list since 2012 and reached a peak ranking of number 3 that year. Billboard recognized IU as the all-time leader of its Korea K-pop Hot 100 chart with the most number 1 songs and the artist who has held the number 1 position for the most number of weeks. In March 2018, IU starred in TVN's My Mister, playing the character Lee Ji-an. The series was commercially and critically successful with peak audience ratings of 7.3%, making it one of the highest rated Korean dramas in cable television history, and positive reviews for IU's performance.